In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20X, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on Allow in the pop-up. Then hit this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to end it and save it on the middle one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options, and to rename it, go back and hold it on the list. Then choose Rename, type in whatever you want to, click OK over here, and then to get rid of it, hold it again, and this time choose Delete option right next to the Rename one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!